Shiba Inu Coin is no different than any other cryptocurrency in the sense that if you want to make money, you have to be willing to hold it. Now, I'm going to be talking a little bit about that in this video because a lot of people right now, I can feel it. You know, I myself am feeling these emotions when it comes to cryptocurrency investing, when it comes to the stock market. We've been in a brutal bear market for the last 2 years, and it's beginning to mess with people's minds. It's beginning to say, okay, well, when you get back above break even, take your profit, sell, get out. And I don't know if that's necessarily the correct strategy. It will happen to a lot of us, but if it doesn't happen to you, you leave yourself open for the possibility of massive profits and massive returns. Let's discuss it, and we're going to go over two very, very good examples. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a pro. We are here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you get a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're earning 5% on your cash balances. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn, but please be aware if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges, so if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Alright guys, we all know the story of the Shiba Inu Coin investor who bought $8,000 worth of Shiba Inu Coin and watched it turn into $5+ billion. We're going to be talking a little bit about him in this video, and we're going to be talking about somebody who we never hear about. Why do we not hear about this other man? It's because he sold his Shiba Inu coin too early. He would have had massive amounts of money held in his crypto wallet if he did not sell. So let's discuss what's going on here and what it means for us going through this bear market, because I know the temptation to sell. I know the idea that as soon as you get back above the water, instead of continuing to rise, just get out, right? I know a lot of us have had that thought with Shiba Inu Coin and any other cryptocurrency for that matter, because we've been down so long. Once we begin to rise again, let's sell off to those who are willing to take the ride. Now, this article, I'm not going to read through the full thing, but it says Shiba Inu Investor shares investment strategy that earned him over $5 billion. The Shiba Inu SHIB token has earned a remarkable reputation in the digital asset space, given its role in liberating people from poverty into financial freedom. I don't necessarily think the guy that invested $8,000 into a meme coin was in poverty to begin with, but he absolutely did make a lot of money. There's no denying that. You can follow the blockchain. You can see the amount of money that was made there. It says, in particular, SHIB created numerous millionaires, even a few billionaires, during its early stages. However, one specific Shiba Inu investor distinguishes itself as an initial $8,000 investment ballooned into an astonishing $5.7 billion. Now, I'm not going to go through and read all of the 700 million% gains and stuff like that, but this guy basically went through, and in a series of purchases, he did not buy $8,000 immediately, but in a series of purchases, accumulated $8,000 worth of Shiba Inu coin. Now, that $8,000 worth of Shiba Inu coin did turn into $5.7 billion. The guy was willing to hold it, and as far as I know, if he doesn't own all of those SHIB, he still owns a lot of those SHIB, still willing to hold, and of course, he's watched his profit come down quite a bit. The 5.7 billion number was at the all-time highs. I don't know how much has been sold. It's been split off into several different wallets now, but what we do know is that if it was 5.7 billion then, it's about 500 million now, which is a huge difference. I mean, the guy would have lost 4.5 billion. Well, actually, he would have lost 5.2 because it was 5.7. He would have lost about $5.2 billion along the way. That'll make you sick to your stomach. But nonetheless, it's still a fantastic amount of money that you'll never need, right? So this goes on to say, how did he do it? I kind of summarized that right there. He bought very early on, and he was willing to hold. He held through the decline. of 2020, early 2021, end of 2020. And then he continued to hold through those all-time highs there. I thought the guy was in a coma, willing to hold a Shiba Inu coin to a $5 billion valuation. Who in their right mind would hold something to a $5 billion valuation? But, I guess he had access to his wallet, because way back in the day, we did see those Shiba Inu coin split up and move from there. Now, here's another story that you guys never hear. Somebody recently posted a YouTube video discussing a Dubai man who bought $4,000 worth of Shiba Inu coin, and then he sold $4,000 worth of Shiba Inu coin. This goes on to say that in August, a man in Dubai purchased about $4,000 worth of Shiba Inu coin. Him and his friends went in there, and everybody was skeptical about whether or not Shiba Inu coin was a rug pull, whether or not Shiba Inu coin was simply a meme, and so on. Nonetheless, he bought $4,000 because it was touted as a Dogecoin killer, and Dogecoin was doing very well at this time, and people thought that this would do well as well. And it did, but unfortunately, it went down first. So it says Shiba Inu barely performed in 2020, and then it dipped at the end of the third quarter in 2020 and began to rise slightly. Now this guy, he purchased 5 trillion Shiba Inu coin, and clearly we know it would be worth a lot of money these days, right? So he purchased 5 trillion Shiba Inu coin, watched a lot of his investment disappear. His friends sold at a loss, and then as soon as it began to pop back up, he sold all 5 trillion Shiba Inu coin for break even. Now, of course, he did not know what was going to take place next. But afterwards, if he did not, the investment would have ballooned into a $70 million investment. The $4,000 that he had purchased in Shiba Inu coin was sold for $4,000, breaking even, and if he simply would have held, if he would have held through that decline, he would have had $70 million. So what's the moral of this story, guys? A lot of us are going to be tempted very similarly to this guy from Dubai. We're thinking right now, this bear market is brutal. It makes no sense. As soon as we get back into the green, let's take our profit. Let's cut our positions. Let's get out. But if you believe that cryptocurrency, not just Shiba Inu coin, but if you believe that cryptocurrency in general has a place in this world, has a place and it has a future, why not hold? Why not hold some of it? Why not see what it turns into? Don't be the guy that gets out and then wishes you would have stayed in. And don't be the guy that doesn't get out during a massive bull rally and then wish you would have. Very similar to the guy that could have lost $5.2 billion from the all-time high peak to where we currently stand right now. So it is very important that you understand these two strategies here and you learn from them. We must hold through bear markets if we want to experience the bull market gains, and we must take profit during those bull market gains if we don't want to experience the bear market lows. So let me know what you guys think about Shiba Inu coin down in the comments below, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a pro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.